Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to boost the Wi-Fi signal for your smart TVs. If you're experiencing lagging or buffering while streaming your favorite shows, improving your Wi-Fi signal can make a significant difference. Let's get started. The first step is to check the placement of your router. Make sure it's placed in a central location in your home, away from walls or large objects that could block the signal. Elevating the router off the floor can also help distribute the signal more effectively. Next, consider using a Wi-Fi extender or booster. These devices can amplify your existing Wi-Fi signal and extend its range to reach areas of your home that may have poor connectivity. Place the extender halfway between your router and your smart TV for the best results. Another tip is to reduce interference from other devices. Keep your router away from appliances like microwaves and cordless phones, as they can disrupt the Wi-Fi signal. Additionally, limit the number of devices connected to the network at the same time to prioritize bandwidth for your smart TV. If you're still experiencing weak signal strength, you may want to upgrade your router to a newer model that offers better range and faster speeds. Look for routers that support the latest Wi-Fi standards like 802.11ac or Wi-Fi 6 for improved performance. Lastly, consider creating a separate network specifically for your smart TV. By dedicating a separate network, you can prioritize the bandwidth for streaming and minimize interference from other devices on your primary network. By following these steps, you can boost the Wi-Fi signal for your smart TV and enjoy uninterrupted streaming of your favorite content. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.